Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix network error on your Mobile Legends game. If you try to open up the Mobile Legends game and you see a network error message which doesn't allow you to play the game, then there are a few things that might be causing this. First of all, this might be caused because your Wi-Fi connection suddenly went out. So simply just go ahead and open up any other application that requires the internet to work. If the application is working just fine, then it means that your internet connection is also working. Try closing the game and then opening it up once again and see if that helps. If it still doesn't work, then there is another thing that you can try. Just go to your phone settings and then tap on Applications. From the Applications page, scroll down and then look for Mobile Legends. Tap on it once you find it, and this will take you into the game's settings page. Now simply scroll down and tap on the storage option. Once you're here, you have two options. Try clearing your cache by tapping on Clear Cache and see if that helps. If it still doesn't work, then you can try clearing your data as well. If clearing your data and your cache, along with a stable internet connection, works just fine for you, then you're good to go. If it still doesn't work, then just open up the Google Play Store or iOS App Store on your device and then search for Mobile Legends. Once you find the application, tap on the uninstall button and then reinstall it once again. Once you do this, your application should be working just fine, assuming that you have a working internet connection. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix network error on Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.